kind of a crazy idea, but I'm planning to take this on a long trip. You want me to film it?
Yeah, I'm gonna hand it to you in a second. I just want to do a little intro into this.
Mhm.
So this young man is converting. What year Volkswagen are we looking at here?
71.
71 Volkswagen into a pedal-powered vehicle. The left-hand side is going to be the steering. We'll have a passenger over here which will help with the horsepower. And he was telling me, hey, say, Rob, get in here, and I'll show you how it works. Okay. Which is not really that heavy, guys. So look at this. Unbelievable. Got emergency brake.
Nice.
Like that. How many gears? Oh, you got gears. Okay.
Yeah, it's basically 3x9, like a regular old mountain bike, and then the final drive, it's basically 1 to 3.
1 to 3.
So it's like a third the
44,
speed.
15?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically.
Okay. Yeah.
So the speed of it is like a third of a bike.
Okay.
And we you see this hill?
Yeah.
We made it up it.
This is a pretty steep hill. I went all around the loop and I said, this is the wrong address. And I came back. I said, oh, okay. Okay, so.
I have a website too. You should check it out.
Well, give me the address.
It's written right here on the door, which is not.
WW
Useless car.
Useless car bike.
It's either useless car or useless car.
Okay.
It's both of them.
And this acronym means what?
Basically, I kind of like it because it's like a useless car. Like it's not a good car.
Okay.
But I also, the whole point I making it is I think people don't really understand how much energy cars take.
They're taking up a lot of energy.
You know, like if we tried to push this thing around, yeah, we're not gonna do it.
We're not gonna be able to push it.
So I wanted to give people. It's also like I'm gonna take it to schools and stuff and let kids try it. Because I want them to understand like what does it really mean to like drive a big truck around or drive even a small car around. Like and think of this, we can go like 10 miles an hour maybe on the flat, but this thing goes 90 miles. I mean like you know, so I want to give people a little bit of a connection to what gas can do.
So when do you think it'll be ready for a final destination? Are you going to paint it or wrap it or something? Or what's the deal?
I spent a lot of time doing body work in this primer, but then I left it out and it got kind of dirty. But I'm still trying to find an artist, like a muralist, to help me paint it. Kind of fun. I'm an engineer person. I'm not a artist.
Okay.
So I'm still trying to do that. And then this weekend, actually, have you heard of Viva Calle?
No, I have not.
San Jose?
No.
It's like totally shut down streets in San Jose for like biking, rollerblading pedestrians.
Okay.
Like I think they do it once a quarter roughly. So it's every few months.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it to that. And then the big push is me and hopefully a few buddies will take it to LA.
Via pedal.
Biking it to LA over
How long do you think it's gonna take to get there?
3 or 4 weeks.
To get there?
Yeah.
You guys are adventurous. What's going to be the path? 101 or what? What's you going to do?
I don't know.
Because you can't go along the side of the 5. You can't go along the side of the 99.
No, I think I'm going to try and take, basically along 101, old El Camino Real.
Okay.
Like frontage roads.
Yeah.
And then go into Santa Barbara.
Okay.
And then go on 1.
Okay.
But there's a chance if I get a few people to help, we might actually just take 1. Because that's the like cycling route. Like a lot of bike tourists do.
Yeah. Okay, all right, and you qualify as a bicycle.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I see. I saw it when I walked up. I said, "Hey, he's got motorcycle tires on there."
Just today is the first time I've tried it. I had the body apart because this is all the stuff I took off. This is about almost probably 50 pounds of shit.
Yeah. Like, see, it's torsion things out of there.
Yeah, because I got these funny springs.
I found
those online. They're for like helping. But for me, since I'm so light, I took the torsion bar out entirely and adjusted it.
Yeah, because I got to figure out how to lower my vehicle down because someone brought it up higher. And I was just like, well, how do you
these? You know what these are?
No.
Okay, the front springs are crazy. Have you seen a picture of them?
No.
It's like a stack of these. And they're held in the center. It's inside these tubes.
Yeah, because I was wondering how to lower the thing down because it's super stiff. My thing just... It's like this right now.
Yep.
And so I was like, they said it was I haven't looked on YouTube yet to figure it out, but I'm gonna have to bring it down.
There's different ways. Because I haven't lowered it, but I've been looking at all these different videos and stuff.
Uh-huh.
One of the like cheapo ways is just to remove some of the springs.
Oh.
So
Okay.
there's like a big stack in there
Uh-huh.
in each tube,
Okay.
and they're held with these little set screws in the front.
Yeah, with the Allens on them.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I saw it. Two of them. Yeah, upper and lower one.
So if you take it off, like, yeah, exactly. Undo those. Totally remove these two arms.
Mm-hmm.
You can, and if you remove that or loosen that set screw, you can like slide a few out.
Oh, okay.
That's one way. And then the way people actually lower them, I think, or the like nicest way, is you cut this and then twist it.
Oh.
And then weld it. So basically, that's what sets where this is. So if you bring it down, then you don't change the spring rate. You're just changing the like
the height.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. All right. Good to know. Good to know.
Lowering the rear is super easy.
Well, I saw the torsion thing. It said unbolt it and then put it back one click up or down.
Yeah. So it's easy. Basically, this is, I forget which one's this. I think this is the outer or the inner. I don't know. One side goes all the way in here. And then the other side.
It comes out through this tube right here.
Yeah, exactly. It's all the way out in the end of this. So you can,
and a half. Yeah. I said, oh, okay.
Well, that's pretty easy. I just did all that recently.
Okay. All right. Good information. See, now I've met a little Beetle guy, and so I've got more information now. Like I said, Eric, I thank you very much for your time, my friend, and I appreciate the parts, my friend, and the knowledge you've given me.
Yeah, well, check out the website.
Okay, I will do that.
And I don't know if you're on Instagram, but
I'm on Instagram too. I'm gonna put you on Instagram. You're gonna be everywhere.
Okay, I'll text you the Instagram.
Yeah, and I'm Money Stereo Installation. I install the motorcycle music. So
what is it?
Money's Stereo Installation.
Money Stereo. Oh, you do motorcycle music.
Yeah, Harley Davidson's. Yeah, that's what I do.
How many watt is your stereo?
I'm way up in. As you guys have probably saw, I'm way up in the hills of Los Altos, California. I'm talking about multi-million-dollar houses up here. You know, people of substance live up in these areas. And I just met with a young man, sold me some VW parts. And, hey, he's got a vision. He's an engineer, but he likes to bike. And so he's converted his Volkswagen into a pedal bike. Hey, he's got some goals, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna make it happen. So, but his departure of parts is my game. So hey, that'll work. Rob from Money Stereo Installations. Gotta go. I just thought about a part I needed that Eric might have. Well, he did have, because I have a slight hole in the floor pan, and Eric wasn't gonna do anything but send it to the. Look at this driveway, boy! I tell you. So I said, "Hey, Eric, let me get those parts." He said, "Sure, why not, Rob? Come get it."